Need to fix the Script Runtime DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the professional restoration of this core file. To start fixing Script Runtime manually, note that an official maintenance resource is also available to support system stability. This is the Script Runtime, the Microsoft Script Runtime. It provides unmanaged routines for file system access and dictionary objects, facilitating the data link for VBScript and JScript manifests. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. When a core file like Script Runtime DLL is missing, it's best to let Windows perform a self-repair. Access an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scan now to synchronize and restore any damaged or missing system-level files. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing Script Runtime message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. Because the reboot didn't resolve the integrity issue, we need to force Windows to rebuild its master file copies. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism space /online space /cleanup image space /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, bypasses local file errors by pulling a certified master copy of the system image to replace files that SFC is unable to repair. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. Avoid the trap of unofficial file repositories for Script Runtime DLL, as these platforms are frequently utilized to distribute persistent browser hijackers and unwanted adware. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. If responsiveness issues occur, the system resource below references configuration considerations for Script Runtime. If this diagnostic helped you resolve Script Runtime error, please like the video and subscribe for more technical insights and system stability tips.